been feeling like a pain like right here.
Okay. Let me see.
So I don't know why. Like, well, yep, exactly right there. And sometimes it'll like, I shoot a little bit.
Yeah, like a little sharp.
Right there.
Did you just wake up like that?
I was at a dinner.
And you just started feeling it. Any headaches?
It's an onset, but not like rapid. It'll come and then it'll leave.
Okay.
But like, I feel fine now. It bothered me for like 2.5 days. Hold on a second, let me just take these keys out. Other than that, I feel great, but that was the only thing that was like, oh.
Okay.
Yeah. It's literally where you have your finger up.